Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your Facebook music story if it is not working. In this tutorial, I will show you two methods to do it. First, make sure that your Facebook app is updated. You can do this by going to the App Store and search Facebook. If you see an update button at the side of the Facebook icon, click on it to update the app. But if you see an open button, then that means your app is up to date. Another way is to open your Settings app. Click on General and then iPhone Storage. Find Facebook among the selection of apps and offload it. Once uploaded, reinstall it once again, and the moment you open it, your music story must be working already. If it is not, then it might be because it is not available in your country yet. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!